Hello students, welcome to your social studies class, and today we are starting chapter 13 again, and the name of the chapter is Early Civilizations, and this is the second part of this chapter. In our previous video we have studied about Indus Valley civilization, the location, important buildings and occupation of that civilization. Today we will study about Egyptian civilization, the location, important buildings and occupation of this civilization.
The Egyptian civilization. The ancient Egyptian civilization grew along the banks of the river Nile. Egypt is also known as the gift of Nile. As I have explained you in the previous video, that the Indus Valley civilization grew along the river Indus. Similarly, the Egyptian civilization grew along the banks of the river Nile. The pharaoh was the king of the Egyptians who was worshipped by the people. Few of the famous pharaohs are given below. The names are Khufu, Tutankhamen, and Ramesses II. So, in earlier times, people used to worship the kings of their civilization, and these kings were known as pharaohs. पहले के टाइम पर people of the civilization used to worship the king only, and these kings were known as pharaoh. So these pharaoh or the kings were very important for the people at that time. So when they die, the Egyptians built tombs for these pharaohs, and these tombs were known as the pyramids. In 1880, the British archaeologist Sir William Petrie was the first one to gather the most accurate measurement of the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the ancient seven wonders of the world. आप सभी ने सेवन वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड के बारे में तो सुना होगा। ग्रेट पिरामिड ऑफ गिज़ा उन्हीं में से एक है। सर विलियम पेट्री वो एक आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने सबसे पहले ग्रेट पिरामिड ऑफ गिज़ा की एक्यूरेट मेजरमेंट फाइंड आउट की थी। Our next topic is mummification. After a pharaoh died, the body was wrapped in cotton cloth and preserved in some special oils, and that is known as mummification. So, the Egyptians used to mummify their pharaohs after the death because they believed that they would live forever. ममीफिकेशन का मतलब होता है किसी भी डेड बॉडी को कॉटन क्लोथ में रैप करना और उसको स्पेशल ऑयल्स में प्रिजर्व करना। इजिप्शियंस फेरोआस की या फिर आप कह सकते हो किंग्स की बॉडी को ममीफाई करते थे क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि देयर इज़ अ लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ ऑल्सो, और जब वो अपनी न्यू लाइफ स्टार्ट करेंगे देन दे विल रिक्वायर सम इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, और इसलिए उनके कॉफिन को पिरामिड में जब रखा जाता था तो दे वर प्लेस्ड विद सम ऑफ द फेवरेट थिंग्स ऑफ द फेरोआ एंड सच एज ज्वेलरी, फर्नीचर एंड फूड आइटम्स ऑल्सो. The pyramids built by the Egyptians served as the final resting place of the pharaohs, who also took all their worldly possessions with them. You can also have a look at the Luxor temple. So, Egyptians जो भी pyramids बनाते थे pharaohs के लिए, they were the final resting place for the pharaohs, and also they took all the worldly possession with them. Egyptian farmers grew corn, wheat, barley, and vegetables. Artists and craftspeople in Egypt made beautiful statues and monuments. So the people of Egyptian civilization used to be the farmers, and they used to grow different types of crops such as corn, wheat, barley and vegetables also. Not everyone used to be the farmers, but some of them are artists and craftspeople also who used to make beautiful statues and monuments. Scribes maintained all written records. A scribe is a person who made copies of written documents before printing was invented. Egyptian civilization के time पर printing was not invented. That's why all the written records has to be maintained. और वो काम किसके द्वारा किया जाता था? Scribes used to do that work. If we talk about the writing, hieroglyphics, it is an ancient Egyptian writing style that uses pictures and symbols to represent sounds and words. People wrote on walls of buildings or on papyrus scrolls. अगर हम राइटिंग की बात करें तो हाइरोग्राफिक्स इज़ एन एंशंट इजिप्शियन राइटिंग स्टाइल जिसमें हम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पिक्चर्स एंड सिम्बल्स यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी डिफरेंट साउंड या वर्ड को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. एट दैट टाइम पीपल यूज टू राइट ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द बिल्डिंग्स ऑल्सो and on the papyrus scrolls also. Let us see what is papyrus. Papyrus was a plant grown along the river Nile. Once cut and dried, papyrus was used for writing. The word paper comes from the papyrus. पेपरस एक प्लांट है विच इज़ ग्रोन नियर द रिवर नाइल. उसको कट करके ड्राई किया जाता है एंड दैट इज़ यूज फॉर द राइटिंग पर्पज़. एंड द वर्ड पेपर ऑल्सो कम्स फ्रॉम द पेपरस ओनली. Hope you have understood Egyptian civilization. Thank you and have a nice day.